Welcome to Love Lines. Right, magkakain na tayo. Ito yung aking order from TikTok. Ayos ang goko ko para kanila. Hot plate electric cooking. Manual instruction. Ayun. Di ba may paa to? Nasaan yung paa? Paa. Walang paa. Nasaan ang paa nito? Okay, mag-assemble na tayo. Ano ba ito? Ayun. Push lang pala. Push. Push. Okay. Ayan na siya. Pwede na mag-testing. Bilog. Off. Off siya.
101.
Ayun. Off. And on. Okay, testing. Ilayo ko to. Ayan, mausok na oh. Okay, it's functioning. Ako ng video para sa aking pang-post. Ayan, so very good, thank you. Tinetesting ko lang siya, off ko na to. Ayan, off na, gumagana siya. Ayun. Alright, thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a good day, God bless. Don't forget, God loves you, you're God's beautiful creation. I'll see you in the next. Okay, pinatay ko na yan.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.
Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.